Guys, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by, taking your time. You're awesome. And you know what, everyone who is new, my name is Alexei from We Love Samples. Welcome on board. So today I would like to briefly talk about how you can improve your drums, talk about the mindset behind recording the drums. So you understand, I'm not a professional drummer. I'm not someone who records drums every day, right? So this is important to say here. However, I'm a producer, and when I see that people have questions about music production, audio production, obviously I can help. And I have some knowledge and I have experience about areas, not everything, but specific areas. And when I hear, and this video is really important to understand for everything that you want to achieve and do, it's not only about drums. So here today it's mindset. One of my friends, he started a YouTube channel and he wants to help other people to, so with his videos, so people play better drums. They understand the notation, how to play certain grooves, rhythm, everything, right? So obviously he asked me at some point how to record them, what to pay attention to. And like I knew from when he started to ask me all those questions, I said, look, I believe that your mission or your goal, basically, the first important goal is not to know how to record the drums. It's out of question, because if you start with something that is so complicated, and it is, drums are very, very difficult to record. It takes time to get a really, really good drum sound from the very beginning before you even record. So you have to have a good drum set. You have to have a good player. He is a professional, so this question is out basically, right? You have to have a good room. You have to have mics. You have to know the positions, how you position the mics, and you have to know some things, about recording. So later on, like mixing, EQing, compression, and like editing, there are so many things involved. So I said to him, this is what he, didn't know before asking me those questions. So basically, just a professional drummer, but no experience with recording the drums, which is fine. This is why I just wanted to make this video, in order to help him. And I think that I will help you too. So you will understand, hey, it will not take you as much time to learn all of those things, all of those skills. It's not important in the beginning. So he sent me the files, he recorded the files, and I said, yeah, I mean, the drums are not sounding good. It's okay. Why? Because what I will show you in the next videos, you will see that it's possible to have a much, much better sound that you record yourself. And yeah, just to make them fatter, better, clearer, and, more huge, wide, and you basically are satisfied. And this is where he wasn't satisfied. So he was every time like, I don't like the snare sound, I don't like the kick, I don't like this, I don't like that. And I said to him, you are wasting your time, because it will take you a lot of time investment, learning the skills, how you can get those from your recorded drums, right? So this tutorials will hopefully help you in order to see that, hey, it's faster, it's better for you, in order that you see, hey, I have results, because it's about results. It's not about, learning skills that will take you like 6, 8, 12 months, because it's just a huge process. You have to know a lot of things. So yeah, to set that, let's play the example from him and what I did. For this section, I needed like 30 minutes before, so to prepare this video, like 30 minutes. And I think like when you have a template, which I talked about, I will link this video, you have to, you will not need a lot of time for that in the future. But when you learn the process, the next videos, so subscribe, make sure to, subscribe to the channel to see me and the channel again, because more videos will be released. And I think if, you have an interest in audio music production, especially this topic about the drums, so stick with me, it will benefit you. Let's play the example. So the blue part is the dry sound as he sent me, and the yellow part is what I, made with all the effects. And in the next videos, I will show you what I did exactly, so you can follow me, implement it yourself, and be satisfied finally. So let's play. This is a huge difference, okay? What I will say here at this point for you, if you are a drummer, this is what I think that you are. You can like my sound, you can say, hey, I don't like your snare, I don't like the kick. I don't care. It's about you, you have to like your stuff. It's not about me, it's about you. So, but what we can't say that it's not good. It's much, much better. It's more fatter, it's more clearer than what I have said. It's wider, it's more huge, and it doesn't take me a lot of time and experience in order to get this drum sound better. Guys, that's it for this video. Stick with me, as I said before, to see the next videos, and I will go and dive into all the things that I did. And yeah, give me a like, comment if you have already some questions. Maybe I can, help you before the next videos will be released. However, I think that whatever I will share with you in the next videos, that they already will cover a lot of your questions as well, for my friend and for you as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Give me a like, subscribe, as I said before, and if you want to support the channel, join my private Facebook group. And you have more questions, you want to improve in audio and music production, you can join my private Facebook group by supporting this channel. Buy me a coffee, the first link below. Said that, have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy.